packing the pull-ups.
Bye-bye.
And then, of course, wipes. Say hi.
Hi.
Welcome back to Skylar's channel, guys. Thanks for coming back and tuning in. We're just gonna show you guys a little bit of what we're getting into this. Well, we're not gonna show you what we're getting into, but we're showing you how we're preparing for what we're getting into this weekend. We are going on like a little quick quarantine family getaway, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm packing for Sky and how I would pack for her for really any trip. We're going on a cabin type in the woods kind of trip. But before we get into it, if you've come this far and you keep coming back and you're not subscribed, subscribe to Skylar's channel. Be one of her friends, right? Alright, let's start packing. We're going to start with toiletries. So, this is Skylar's toiletry bag. You want to hold it? Show them? Yeah, right? It opens up with these two snaps. And she has all these different bags. That's to put stuff in, and these also detach. So let's put some stuff in there. Open that up. Okay, let's do hair products. So we have travel brush, travel comb, and then her little hair toothbrush. Put that in there, babe. It's right in there. This mommy might have to do. Okay. In that same pouch, I have a mini Eco Styler gel. Throw this in there, open it up. And then we also have some hair scrunchies, some additional hair scrunchies. And we're gonna throw that in there. Zip it up, baby. Yay, that one's done.
Yay!
So let's move on to like body wash and stuff like that. So I have bought these little travel size jars. I have bought these little travel size jars for when we went on a plane. And it came with this little label. So this is her shampoo. I don't know if you can see it, but this is her shampoo, her conditioner. This is body wash, and this is lotion. And it's only a weekend trip, but with these kids, you really never know. She might decide she want to put mayonnaise in her hair, ketchup, like mustard. Like, who knows what's going to happen to her hair. So you just want to be prepared. I am the overly prepared packer.
That, Mommy, what's that?
This is your shampoo and your conditioner.
Ooh-hoo.
Let's put that in there. And then, of course, toothbrush and toothpaste. Let's put this in. You gonna brush your teeth?
Yeah.
Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush, 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 brush. So we're putting this in the bag. So this is our little emergency bag. Now in this emergency bag, this stuff that's just like typically in here: Desitin,
That's a pizza.
medicine, baby rub, boogie wipe. I have the nasal spray from Boogie Mist.
Medicine.
Yeah, medicine bug.
That's
And
medicine.
then of course we're gonna be like in nature, outdoorsy type. So I have this Baby Ganix natural insect repellent. We have the Zarbee's Naturals cough syrup, immune medicine, and grape.
Boom.
All of it in this little
All
bag.
of it.
And it's also her daily Flintstones vitamins. These and go into underclothes and socks. I have all these socks. Again, I am the overpacker mom, and she's potty trained officially. Yay. But we're still working on overnights training, so we do have to pack a couple pull-ups for overnight. Packing the pull-ups.
Bye-bye.
And then, of course, wipes, washcloths, also extra. Okay, pass your pajamas. I have 2 sets of pajamas. Get your other one. Thank you. 2 sets of pajamas. And of course her hair bonnet for overnight. Packing my own blankets and sheets because let's not forget we are still on quarantine and I'm not using anything of anybody else's. I'm still going to keep practicing social distancing and safe precautions just to make sure that we stay virus free. Please believe I am packing Lysol and a lot of disinfectants. So we have her robe that we're gonna pack, her little fox robe, a little cute hood. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. She's back there playing while I pack for her. We're also gonna pack. Who's this? Can you name them?
Yeah.
Name them. Rocky. That's it? That's all you know? This is Paw Patrol, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna roll this one up. So this is what her bag is looking like so far. Her blanket, her pajamas, her towel, slipper, her robe, her pull-ups, underwear, and socks are in this compartment inside here. Her washcloths are right here, her hair bonnet, and then on the outside pocket is her toiletry bag and her emergency bag. And let's just add the clothes. So now we're moving on to the apparel of it all. Oh. Okay, let's add these clothes. I have a little sweatsuit with the top, bottom, and then I have like an undershirt type thing just in case the sweatshirt is too heavy and it's not that cold. I just have like a white long sleeve shirt. Then I also have a black t-shirt with her name in the back, which I got from California on Venice Beach. And then I have either a long legging or a short, depending on if it's warm or if it's colder. And like I said, it's better for me to be prepared than unprepared. And then if there's any accidents, I have extra. And then I have 2 bonus outfits, photo op opportunities. I have these 2 outfits for that. Oh, I have a little bathing suit. I don't know why, but I'm gonna pack it just in case. I just asked Skylar to pick 3 books because we read a book to her every night, sometimes 2, and these are her favorite, most requested books. Trolls, then The Wheels on the Bus, and then There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Fly. These are her favorite books right now. And then for her carry-on, there's already some wipes in here and there's not that many left, so we're gonna leave this here. Honest wipes, which are so good. I have a potty seat. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a travel potty seat that opens up. It fits on mostly every toilet, and this is what we travel with her now. It fits in my purse, it fits in this bag. You could just hold it, throw it in the car, whatever. This is what we travel with now that she is potty trained. Right, hold it. Next, headphones. Headphones are so necessary in the car. Everyone wants to listen to different things as loud as they want. Very important. Tablet. Make sure your tablet is loaded with movies that's downloaded just in case you don't have internet Wi-Fi or it's not strong. with apps that they can learn and play on. And with that, please make sure you have your charger to this tablet so that it does not die and leave you with an angry toddler. That doesn't work for me. Last but not least, most importantly,
Coronavirus!
hand sanitizer everywhere you go. That's the new way right now. You have to have your mask. You have to have your sanitizer.
No.
This is her finished bag. We've added the books. Everything is rolled up nicely. Everything fits nicely. I'm just gonna throw these books up here on top. This is the bag with her vitamins and her boogie wipes and spray in it. So we're just gonna zip this up. And Skylar is ready. This is how Skylar is most likely going to travel. We're gonna put on her some leggings, a t-shirt. She has her headphones. It's supposed to rain this weekend, so she has her umbrella. She has her backpack on with her tablet in it, her potty seat in it, her charger, her mask, and her hand sanitizer. I'm gonna bring for her a hoodie and then a heavier fleece jacket for layering purposes. Thank you for packing with us. Thank you for watching. We hope that you enjoyed and can take away something from this video when you're packing for your toddler, but you just want to be your most prepared self. If you have to literally write a physical list, then write a physical list. Let us know how this video helps you in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you when we get back.
Good night.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Bye.